didn't have time enough to clean them out of polishing compound, but you see overall they're pretty much done. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.
Hi guys, and welcome to ASG channel. This is the bike I've been restoring parts for. This is a Dnepr K-750 from 1960s. Really beautiful bike, and it's becoming more and more rare nowadays. Even myself, I'm looking for a bike like this. And it's kind of a tricky thing to do, to find one in a good condition and for a fair price. And what I'm going to show you is the bike overview and how much it cost the owner to restore it. The owner requested me not to film him, that's why he's in another room, and he also requested me to not disclose the full price, but better on an estimate. That's it, because it's super late. I have to be on my bus, get home, and I have to make it pretty quick. So let's go. Alright guys, so this is the bike, the overview. A magnificent bike, I love it so much. There is a Java. Oh my god, I'm pointing so weak. Okay, it's so cold here. This is a Java. I'm not gonna film it right. Okay, I'm gonna film it. Alright, I'll film it for you a little bit. This is a Java. It belongs to the owner's friend. I'm gonna just film it a little bit. It's not for the actual video. It's gonna be just like that. All right, next thing I want to film is the parts which I polished. There are not too many, but they changed the look completely. For example, I polished those pipes. You remember that. Also, I polished those little rings here and here. What else? This handle, the handlebar, the nuts of the triple tree, a couple of chrome stuff. And what was the biggest trouble for me was this ring around the headlamp. I wiped the old chrome completely, and the owner coated it with lacquer. Basically, owner bought the bike in a pretty bad condition. I'll ask him to give me a couple of pictures, and I'll add it here in this video. Also, I'm gonna show you the quality of the upholstery. Look at that. Look at the stitches, they're so perfect. You see that? Oh, also I polished this thing. This is a lock. I didn't know what this for. This is a lock for the seat. You press it down, but it's so stiff. I don't know. All right, I'm not gonna open it right now. But the upholstery looks so good quality, I would say. All right. Okay, I gave you a little overview. And now the last thing I want to say is the price. He bought it in a pretty bad condition. And it took him a couple of years to restore it. And the price he paid for restoration, including painting, buying parts, also including my restoration of those polished parts, around 4,000 euros. So this is how much it took him to restore a bike for a complete garbage to this beauty. All right, so this is it now for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.